Madam, bottle water. Beatrice!
Brother!
Beatrice!
No, what are you doing here?
What are you doing in the city?
I'm hustling now.
Hustling what?
Why shouldn't I hustle? Why shouldn't I hustle? You just abandoned us. Mama has been sick. We called, you refused to answer.
Beatrice,
so what were you expecting me to do? I sit down there and allow Mama to die?
Beatrice, you won't understand.
Understand what? Understand what? Understand what, brother? Why do you look like this? You look like a rich man. Oh, you even own this car. Oh, brother.
I will explain.
Explain what later, how?
Listen to me, listen to me. You need to understand me. I will explain to you later. Just go first, go.
I'm going to nowhere.
Go.
I'm not going to anywhere. I'm not going to anywhere.
Oh, Beatrice, you put me in trouble. I said go first, I will explain things to you later.
I'm not going to anywhere, brother.
What is going on?
Oh, no, nothing.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Please, what's going on? Who is this?
She's my
He is my fiancé. And who are you?
We even have a fiancé. This is my brother. This is my brother.
Listen.
Honey, please wait. Is she your sister?
Yes.
But you told me that you are an orphan.
Of what?
Listen.
He said he does not have a sister, nor a brother, nor parents.
Hey! Brother!
Honey, I will see. Excuse me. Honey, I will explain to you.
So it's because of her you abandoned us?
No!
You didn't say anything. You didn't tell her about Ikwo. You didn't even tell her about Miriam. You didn't even say anything about King.
No,
Then you said you are orphan. Brother, why are you treating us like this? Why? You will come to the village dressed like a poor man. You will even collect money from Mama.
Poor man?
Yes. Oh, brother, you amaze me.
Honey, what
Mama has been sick. We don't even have food to eat. Things have been so tough. I will call you, you won't pick call. You even switch off phone sometimes. And you are here.
Honey, what is she talking about? Madam, do you know who he is? This man is a money-making machine. He is a money chain. He is my fiancé. Do you know how many cars he has? Do you know how many houses he has in this estate? Do you know how many empty plots of land he has? Wait, honey, is she really your sister?
Yes.
Your sister?
Yeah.
Dressed like this? Selling bottled water? You told me that you don't have a sister nor a brother, you don't have a family. You lied to me. So you abandon your family and you're lavishing your money on my own family. You just gave my mother $10,000. You sent my brother abroad. Yet your own family in the village, hungry, wretched. Look at your sister. Look at your sister selling bottled water. Are you this wicked? Is this who you really are?
Honey, please excuse me.
Excuse you?
Excuse me. Listen. I know you may not understand.
Understand what now?
I cannot offer you people the kind of money I am spending. I love this. I love my family so much. I love my parents. I love my sisters and brothers, and I don't wish to treat them the way I treat other people else. Because if I spend my money on you guys, that means I will lose you all, and I don't want to lose my mother. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose my brothers. I don't want to lose anybody in the family. You don't need this money, Beatrice. You guys don't need this money. Whoever I spend my money on will pay a huge price, including myself.
Huh? Brother, are you in a cause?
Hey!
Are you a ritualist? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'll shout.
No, please.
I heard everything you said. So you're a ritualist.
Honey,
Please do not honey me. Oh, your family deserves to live. And my own family deserves to be used. Listen to me. Ed, please, listen to me. I do not want to see you anywhere around me.
Honey, please.
Do not honey me. Let me tell you, if
can...
I see you around me, God will see you. Let me just go look for a solution for my family.
Honey,
do not honey me.
Please.
Rubbish.
Please.
Open this car.
Honey, please.
Please, I don't even need anything here. Rubbish.
Honey, please, I will explain.
Take your hand off me.
Honey.
Ritualist.
Honey, please, now, please. I will explain everything to you, understand?
Where did Mama go wrong? Upon all the home training. Upon everything. So all this catechism we used to attend, all this,
Sorry.
So just gone like that. Why couldn't you just wait for God's time?
It was not easy for me.
Why did you put your hand into this kind of mess?
It wasn't understanding.
So what is the essence of this wealth? That your siblings, your mother cannot enjoy. Why did you sell your soul to the devil?
I suffered a lot. I suffered and I couldn't bear it anymore. I had to go into this just to survive. But it didn't occur to me that at the end of the day, I will lose everything, including my family.
Hey!
I'm so sorry, Beatrice. Beatrice, please don't let me. Please. Beatrice, don't go away. Beatrice, come back, please. Oh, what will it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul to the devil? At the end of the day, all this thing is vanity.